plant a little tree. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. D is for drumstick, tasty and light. E is for eggplant, purple and wide. F is for fenugreek with leaves that hide. G is for garlic with a strong smell. Eating vegetables keeps you well. A, B, C, eat with me. Healthy veggies for you and me. Crunch and munch, feel so strong. Sing this veggie song along. H is for horseradish, spicy as well. I is for iceberg lettuce, we like it a lot. J is for jicama, crunchy like a jewel. K is for kale, a leafy delight.